Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making this simple muffin recipe with just few ingredients. We will start by adding 2 eggs to a bowl, half cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix together until the sugar is dissolved. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor to 1/3 cup of milk, that is 150 milliliters. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, that is 80 milliliters. We will mix together to properly combine. Next, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we will mix very well. Next, we will layer our muffin tins with muffin papers. Then we will scoop the cake batter into the muffin tins, just halfway up. For extra flavor, we will be adding some melted chocolate or Nutella, whichever one you prefer. We'll cover the chocolate with the rest of the cake batter. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, allow the muffins to cool down completely. Then you add additional melted chocolate on top. Finish up by dusting some icing sugar on the muffins. This is totally optional, you can skip it if you prefer. Will you be recreating this recipe at home? Let me know in the comment section. I would also love to read about your questions, your opinions, and your recommendations. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. I will really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.